Good morning, kindergarten, and good morning, kindergarten parents. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to log in, how to join a Google Meet. As you know, on Tuesday, we're going to be doing our very first Google Meet as a classroom where students will be able to join and hang out online with their peers and their teachers. So let's get started. I'm going to just share my screen. There we go, so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so first and foremost, I just want to make sure that everyone has their login information all underway. How it works is it's the first name of your child. So I have an example here of Ran. It's the first name, R for Ran, followed by the last name, Kaneko, at fieldstonedayschool.org. And the password for everybody right now is password with an uppercase P, space 1. All right, so that formula is the same for everyone. For example, for Annabelle, it would be A Munshaw at fieldstonedayschool.org. Shania Gilpin, S Gilpin at fieldstonedayschool.org, and the password is password space 1. All right, so assuming that you've all logged in with those new usernames and passwords, it should bring you to this kindergarten page. It should look exactly the way it did before when you were logging into this page using the parent K at fieldstone.com login info. But this way, with your personal logins, it'll allow you to post things, and I'll be able to tell who's posting what instead of just saying the generic parent K. Okay, so you're on this page, everything looks the same, and you want to join a meet. So how do we join a meet? We have the lovely Miss Adams, who has agreed to help us learn together. So here, Miss Adams has sent me a message. She writes, "Hey, Miss I, join me on Google Meet with the nickname Adams123. Okay, so now I have the nickname of the meet, but I still don't know how to join. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go all the way to the top right of my screen where you see your little account circle, account design, I don't know what to call that. And you're going to go to the little Google App Square right next to it and click on that. And you're going to click on the icon. That's the word I was looking for, icon. You're going to click on the icon that says Meet. All right. Once you get to this page, it's going to ask you if you want to join or start a meeting. Why, I do want to join a meeting. I want to join Miss Adams' meeting. So I'm going to click that. And it says enter the meeting code or nickname. So if I remember correctly, it was Adams123. Continue. Getting ready. I must have joined successfully because it says here that Veronica Lee Adams is in this call. So for now, you don't have to click the present button. That's only if you were going to be leading the meeting and you were going to be sharing your screen. So you do not need to click the present button for now. Just click the join now. So that's what I'm going to do, join now. And I've officially joined the meeting. The only reason why you can't see Miss Adams' face is because she turned off her video icon. So I'm going to show you a few features and teach you how you can do that as well. If you go to the bottom here, this button, if you click it, it will turn off your microphone. So let's just say the pizza man is at the door, he's delivering your pizza, and there's a lot of noise in the house, and you just want to mute your microphone so the whole class doesn't hear. You can click your mute, turn off microphone, and no one will hear you. And then when you want to join us and come back, you can click that again, and it'll turn your microphone back on. If you would like to turn off your video for a little while, like Miss Adams has chosen to do at this moment, you can turn off your video by clicking this button. There. And then no one will see you. And if you want people to see you again, you can turn it back on. Another really cool feature is the turn on closed captions. So I'll show you what happens when I do that. When I turn on closed captions, all the words that are spoken are being typed out by the software on the bottom of the screen. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's working pretty well. Chances are we won't need to use the closed captions in kindergarten because it'll be a whole bunch of 5-year-olds talking over each other. But it really is useful in the upper grades when a teacher is giving a lecture with complicated words and you want to make sure that you're visually accessing the words as well. So I'm going to turn off closed caption. There we go. This button here that says present now, as I mentioned, it's really only if you want to share your desktop screen. Maybe in the future, you'll want to show me something you've been working on your computer screen. So maybe we'll need to use this at some point, but for now, ignore it. You don't need to use this for now. All right. Well, I think that's all I wanted to say about this. I myself am just getting used to Google Meets, so it's an exploration process and we're going to learn together. But the main thing is really learning how to get onto that meeting. So I'm going to end the call right now, leave call. There we go. I'm going to give it a 5-star. Thank you very much. Great. Now, Miss Adams sent me the nickname through a text message, but you will receive the nickname or the code for the call every morning on Google Classroom. So you'll just sign on to your Google Classroom account using your personal login. You'll go into the kindergarten page, and right here on the home stream, just before 9 a.m., I will give you the class nickname so that you can join every morning. Maybe we'll even be able to join with the same nickname every day to make it easy. But if the nickname changes day by day, I'll be posting it on the home stream. Okay, I think that just about covers everything. If you have any lingering questions, please let me know. Give me a phone call, shoot me an email, whatever you need. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a little test drive with you guys tomorrow. We're aiming for lunchtime. I believe it'll be 12:30 p.m. on Monday, March 30th. But I will send you a message to confirm the date and time of the little test drive. Once we know that everyone is able to join these Google Meets with no problems, that'll mean that we have the good to go for our first meeting on Tuesday with the kids. Okay, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and we'll be in touch very soon. Bye-bye.